the pollution, the chemical treatments, the coloring, the heat styling, our hair is subjected to a lot of damage on a daily basis, and we usually see the signs of this damage in the form of hair fall, hair breakage and brittle hair. And this is why this range was created, to undo some of that damage and repair your hair. Now the special thing about this range is that all the products are enriched with keratin as well as argan oil. Now keratin, as we know, is a natural protein that occurs in your hair. So once you have that in products, it rejuvenates the lost keratin from your hair, it repairs your hair, and it's overall just really good for damaged hair. And argan oil also has very miraculous healing, reparative properties. It's also called liquid gold for the same reason. It's become a really popular ingredient for hair care as well as skin care. So all these products contain both keratin and argan oil, and that's why they work so well in reversing some of that damage that happens to our hair on a daily basis. Shampoo doesn't strip your hair dry. I take generally about 1.5 pump of this for my hair length. I follow this up with the conditioner, which is really hydrating. It detangles your hair really well. I keep it on for at least 2 minutes, and sometimes I try to keep it on for longer, like 5 minutes. So after I washed my hair, I've dried it with a towel and it's still in damp condition. I'll take 1 pump of this and focus this mainly from the mid-lengths to the ends. I love the packaging and the look of the products. I think it just looks really catchy sitting on your bathroom shelf. Now I have color treated hair and I also do heat styling on a regular basis. Plus I live in Mumbai, so my hair is subjected to quite a bit of damage, and since I've been using these products, I really like how my hair feels. So if you have dry or damaged hair that needs a bit of repairing, do give this range a try.